Hello everyone, I'm Moja from DATEC Studios. In this short lesson, we are going to see how to generate data with the help of a quick OSM plugin. Let's get started. This is a pre-opened project in the QGIS. If you don't have quick OSM plugin, you should go to Plugin menu, Manage and Install Plugins. In this panel, we go to All, searching for Quick OSM. You can see now that it is installed on my system, so I don't need to install it again. I can reinstall the plugin, or I can uninstall and install it again. So we skip this step. This is a Cremona city in Italy. I'm going to find some data about this city, but I don't want to use online sources or GeoPortale as we use in Italy. I'm going to use Quick OSM for some of this data. I click on Quick OSM. As you can see in this panel, there are some variables that we have to fill up. First is a key. You should query something. For example, I'm going to open this drop-down. There are lots of items over here. I'm going to find some path and highways or vehicle ways. So I scroll down. This is highway. The second one is the value. I open this drop down. There are lots of value for this. You can choose a specific path that you need, or I'm going to use it as a default. So everything that they can find. The last one is the canvas size, or the layer size you can read from. I generally use Canvas Extended. I click that and press Query. The operation is finished. I close this one. As you can see, there are 3 layers of the data that we need. They're all temporary layers. We have to save them all to a specific location in our computer. But for now, I'm going to hide this one and this one. This polygon layer generally indicates the parking layer, but it categorized as a highway. So if you want that, you can save that. I need this and only this one. I'm going to right click on the layer and properties. I'm going to symbology and I'm going to change it a bit, maybe something a little bit much bold, and yes. The width. This is how we generally make a data from nothing in Quick OSM. So the process is like this. There are lots of OSM data in the server, but generally we only use them as a raster layer, as a background. When we load OSM standard map, for example, as a base map, we use it as a raster. But when we use Quick OSM, we can extract those data and use it as a layers, vector layers in our project. For example, as we done over here, a highway layers. So this is it. If you like it, please press the like button and subscribe for more.